I love math a lot. I love math. I love it. But I can't wake up in the morning. So my dad calls me and says, Deepak, there's this alarm clock. There's this alarm clock. You download it. It'll give you a math problem, right? And it will ring till you solve it. That's a good proposition, why not? Yeah. So I download the alarm clock, no worries. I download it, install it. The clock goes off in the morning. I get the math problem, look at it. Easy. Solve it in 2 seconds, go back to sleep again. I practiced for CAT for a million years. Don't give a damn, But I had an American roommate. His life changed. He downloaded the alarm clock. He get the math problem. He can't solve it. He will wake me up. Then it's a community math problem solving. And then I look at the alarm clock, racist alarm clock, guys. Racist alarm clock, American multiplication, Indian quadratic equation. Horrible, guys. But let me tell you this, right? Every country has math problems which reflects the economic situation of that country. This is my theory. Every country has got math problems which reflects the economic situation of that country. In India, every math problem is about Ram and Shyam buying vegetables. Every math problem. Ram has 100 rupees. Shyam has nothing. How many tomatoes can Ram buy? Every stupid math problem. Right? But America has got math problems too. Oliver has $1,500 in credit card debt. How much does he owe China?